All right, everybody, my pal Rollface back again. He's addicted. He is addicted to these breaks because they're, I don't know, I guess they're fast. Relatively cheap compared to everything else that I have. All right, so here we go. He just broke the trout drought. Let's see what he's got. Bang! Oh, you hit the gold. I love the gold. I'd grade it just because it's gold. I think they're cool. All right. You got a gold Harper. So you paid for a big chunkier box already. Miguel Tejada. That looked like a weird card. 1301? No, I guess not. Yeah, if only grading was free. Doug Fister, Jose Altuve. Anthony Rizzo. Javi Guerra and Johnny Damon. He's a Ray. Well, he was in that picture anyway. Anthony Rizzo. He's back. David Ortiz. The Big Poppy. Your last pack of 2011. Joel Hanrahan. And here it is, buddy. Moment of truth. Huh? Brett Lawrie. Means the next pack will actually have the Harper. Well, we don't know what is the next pack, but you know what I mean. Nice, Manny Machado. Sell that over there on that, what is that website called? Let's go check out my card. All right, let's look at your gold Harper. Let's all revel in the awesomeness of gold Harpers. 1 in 20 boxes, so pretty rare. Pow! Wapow! Come on! Yeah, the rest. Wah, wah.